and Anthony Rizzo have partnered up to help raise funds for the Anthony Rizzo Family Foundation. So Buona, the family-owned restaurant group, now the official Italian beef of the Chicago Cubs, and available throughout Wrigley. So the Rizzo way of preparing 3 classic sandwiches. This is the Italian beef. There's the meatball sandwich. There's the Italian beef and sausage combo. For every sandwich ordered the Rizzo way, which means topped with red gravy, mozzarella, and provolone cheese. Yes. Buona will donate a portion of the proceeds to the foundation, which helps patients and families facing the devastating impact of a cancer diagnosis. The goal is to sell more than 250,000 sandwiches throughout the year. And you can order one, the Rizzo way, at any of Buona's 19 Chicagoland locations at BUONA.com. And they are selling it here at the ballpark, right?
Yeah, they're in all the concessions and the suites.
It's fantastic. Fowler.